Hello, YouTube. Tony step into a shave, and it's gonna be a little bit half fast. So I'm gonna use Mitchell wool fat today, and after shave will be Astrin Mans something. For me, it's pretty unknown after shave. Beautiful, beautiful scent. A little bit citrus in it. Elma Japanese 6.8. Transparentic scales. Used it many times before. So I hope you guys are in a good mood and healthy. Brush will be Omega 1008 number. I bloom this soap with cold water. Man, I have problem to load and lather wolf fat. Why doesn't? You see, it's easy to lather if you use a board brush and bloom it with cold water. So, nothing wrong with this. This is gonna be amazing leather. So, look at it's so easy. Wolf fat is really good leather. I have to apologize to you all followers. It's maybe perhaps it seems to be I'm not appreciate you follow me on Instagram and here on YouTube, but I do. I really do. It's an honor and I appreciate it a lot with all my heart. No doubt about that. So thank you all of you guys who follow me and watch my video, comment on my video, take your time It's worth a lot for me. You see, it's easy soap to lather. It's crazy. Well, I take my time, of course, to lather it, but you can see it's pretty thick. First pass, and I'm gonna shave normally today. So, my name on this video is gonna be Is Wool Fat a Hard Soap to Lather? The answer on that is no, it isn't. Quite easy to lather actually, if you bloom it. It's really hard soap, and you bloom it in warm water or not bloom it at all, then it's hard to lather. But if you bloom it in cold water for at least 10 minutes, then the soap rock and roll. Build an amazing lather, as you can see. This soap is not the best soap in the world. It's old soap since in the end of 1800, I guess, something like that. Maybe it starts yes, 1893 formula. That's crazy. Be back soon. So, Astrin of the shave. A little bit citrus. Some more. Oh, nice. Nice. Pretty cool color on this of the shave. Astrin Mans of the shave. The soap was Mitchell Wolfhat. Formula from 1893. It's crazy old formula. I don't like they change formula. I don't know why. It's vegan formula, I guess. I have one pack in the cabinet with new formula. Don't use it. I'm still going with the old formula. Elma 6/8 transpacific never mind. Japanese 6/8 razor. Shave very good. So guys, once again, thank you all of you guys who follow me here on YouTube, especially. I appreciate it a lot. I love you all, and take care. Love each other. So we'll see each other soon again. Bye for me.